Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student based on competency based question from the chapter 10. The name of the chapter is Information is in our life. Dear students, let's start the class. Our first competency based question is broad answer question. The question is, you want to share the information you collect with your friends who live in Japan. What are the ways by which you can share the information with him? What type of technology will you need? The answer of the question will be like that. The answer is, in this 21st century, sharing information is not a difficult task. There are many technologies which can be used for this. Here I am in Bangladesh to share the information that I have collected with my friend who live in Japan. It is very easy task. I can send a message from my mobile phone to him or her. I also can call him. If both of us have email address, I can also mail my friend through the internet. For present days, the best way to share my information with my friend is the social networking media Facebook. You also can add here Facebook and Twitter. So the technologies needed to do this are mobile phone and computer. Dear students, here all the times I use I, because here in the question there is written you want to. That means who is writing the answer for that person. That's why I am mentioning here as I. Go to our next competency based question. Our next competency based question also broad answer question. The question is, information is very important for our life. We can collect information in many ways. Explain how to collect information through the internet. Answer, information collection through internet. We can collect information by using books, newspaper, TV or radio. The internet enables us to collect information more easily. The internet is a huge network of computers together all over the world. We can collect information we need through the internet by using computers or mobile phones. For collecting information through the internet, we have to follow these rules. First rule is, we use search engine such as Google, Yahoo or Pipilika. Second step is, type keywords relevant to the topic and click search. Press the enter key on the keyboard. Third step will be, search through the list of web pages to find the information we need. And the fourth and last step is, repeat above 3 steps as necessary or choose new keywords that are more or less specific and thus search the information we need. Dear students, all the whole question answer I take it from your textbook. You can follow your textbook and write by yourself. Now go to our next competency based question answer, that is short answer question. The question is, we receive a lot of information every day. Give 3 names of device for storing information. Why is information important? The answer of the question is, 3 names of devices for storing information are pen drive, CD, DVD. You can write other name also like memory card. The next part of the question's answer is, Information is very important for our life because it enables us to know something new and to decide what to do. Our next competency based question answer, also short answer question. The question is, internet enable us to collect information more easily. What is internet? Name 3 major search engines used in Bangladesh. The internet is a huge network of computers together all over the world. Name of 3 major search engines used in Bangladesh: Google, Yahoo and Pipilika. The last competency based question answer for today is also short answer question. The question is, information sharing is an activity. What are the technologies that enables us to exchange information? The answer of the question is, the technologies that enable us to exchange information are email, short message service, that means SMS, social networking service, that means SNS, like Facebook or Twitter through the internet. Dear students, I will give you some homeworks. Your homework will be, that is homework number 4, CBQ 1, 2, 3. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. I gave my mobile number and my messenger ID on the board. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. Do the homework in your homework copy. Submit every Sunday on the school premises from 8 AM to 4 PM. And you can collect the previous homework copy on the same day. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.